In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on all pages of your Canva Pro design with just one click. This is an incredibly time-saving feature for anyone who works with multi-page documents and wants to maintain a consistent look throughout their project. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, start by opening your Canva project. Navigate to any text you want to adjust. It could be a title, subtitle, or paragraph text. Once you find it, click on the text box. By selecting the text, you're telling Canva exactly which element you'd like to adjust. Next, look at the toolbar above your design. This toolbar contains various options for customizing your text, but we'll focus on the current font name displayed there. Click on that font name. Doing so will open a drop-down menu with all the available fonts in Canva, including both free and premium ones. Now comes the fun part. Exploring fonts. Scroll through the list and preview the different styles. Whether you want something bold, elegant, playful, or minimal, Canva has tons of options to fit your project's mood and branding. Once you find a font that matches your vision, click to select it. As soon as you select your new font, a small dialog box will appear with the Change All option. This is your magic button. Clicking it applies your chosen font across every page in your project instantly. Canva automatically updates all instances of that font, keeping your design cohesive from start to finish. This feature is especially useful when working on larger projects like presentations, reports, portfolios, or ebooks. It not only saves time, but also ensures a professional and unified appearance across every page. By using this one-click change all function, you can easily maintain your brand identity and prevent mismatched fonts or inconsistent styles. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in overall design quality. To summarize, just select your text, choose a new font from the toolbar, and click Change All. Within seconds, your entire Canva design will have a consistent, polished, and eye-catching font style. The next time you're creating something in Canva Pro, remember this simple yet powerful feature. It can truly elevate your workflow and help you design smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.